Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. I'm back, guys, getting ready for Monday mailings. This is my postcard program, okay? The Postcard Tycoon, all right? So if you're looking for a simple program where you can just mail postcards only, okay? The Postcard Tycoon, okay? Got my 3 rolls of stamps here. And as you can see, I have lots and lots of postcards because I ordered 1,000 postcards, okay? And then I have my labels right under here. I don't want to reveal people's information, but as you can see, I've got the labels as well. So, I am ready to mail out on Monday morning. Look at all those, okay? So, we got 300 postcards that we can mail because we've got 3 rolls of stamps, okay? So, Postcard Tycoon, guys, it pays you $300 per sale, okay? Just like it says there, $300 per sale. Just mail out these postcards. They're in full color, back and front. Let me see if I have a label on the back of this one. I don't want to flip that one over. Hang on a second so I can show you what it looks like. Yeah, I've got labels on all these, so I can't flip it over, but it's 2-sided card in full color, okay? You make $300 per sale, and the company has what they call a 5 for Life bonus, as you can see right on the postcard. For every 5th sale, they're going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps, okay? And what's a great kicker with this postcard program that I haven't seen any company out here doing, it's going to give you 250 in your kit, okay? When you join, it includes 250 color postcards and 250 leads, okay? That's a great, great value, okay? You're going to get your own link on your card, okay? And it comes with a website, okay? Comes with a website because your link goes straight to your website. Everybody has a website, all right? And it has a sizzle number on there, so you can call that and check it out. Listen to that sizzle number. Let's see if we can show you that real quick. Okay. Hang on. Let's see if I can move this one. Okay. There it is. Okay. So you can call that number, check it out. It comes with that. And that's what people will see when they get the card, which will get them excited. Okay, to go ahead and check out your website. Now, if they don't have a computer, it tells you on here, just mail this card back in, which has your link on it, okay, and to send $5, and the company will send them some information, an information packet, okay? So you're covered either way. But the Postcard Tycoon is a simple program. Just mail postcards, guys. And everybody that joins you, you're going to make $300. There's no levels. There's no pass-ups, okay? And it comes with a kit, okay, with some great valuable information inside, okay? Now, if you join me in the Tycoon, I'm going to give you 250 extra leads. The company's going to send you 250, but I'm going to also send you 250 for joining me and partnering with me in the Tycoon, all right? So, the Postcard Tycoon is the way to go if you're looking for bigger commissions in mailing, okay? This is the way to go. This came out 2016. I joined it in 2016. So I've been a partner and affiliate for this company for 3 years, okay? It's already been proven. It works. Just mail these cards, okay? Now, if you're looking for a flyer program, I have a flyer program as well. I'll put the link below for that if you're interested in mailing flyers. And that program pays out $65 to $1,000 commissions for mailing flyers and buying leads, okay? So I have you covered, guys. I have leads if you just want leads and you have a program you're already promoting and you just want some good leads to mail to. I have you covered in that as well. So reach out to me, and I'll be happy to help you. So I look forward to you working with you in the Tycoon. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video, okay? So we're ready to rock and roll, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.